Good morning, children. I hope so you all are doing well at home. Happy Christmas and Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, children, to all of you. Children, take out English reader. Today we're going to do a new lesson. That is, your children, know your nation. So, see your children. Unit 8, know your nation. Here are some flags given, children. So, here we have to identify our nation's flag. Which is our nation flag, children? This one. This is our nation flag. So, this lesson is about our nation. We celebrate Independence Day on August 15th. So, this is a conversation between a teacher and the students. So, it is a conversation. Okay, children, let me start the lesson. So, I'll explain the lesson while we are reading the lesson, children. So, know your nation. So, in this here, the teacher and the conversation between the teacher and the students. So, here first teacher. So, teacher is telling this for the students. Tomorrow is August 15th. All of you should come early by 7:30 a.m. Let us celebrate the day by hoisting our national flag. So, here children, teacher is telling the students to come early in the morning at 7:30 to the school to hoist the flag. So, here a student named Ramya says teacher, what is the importance of August 15? So, children, she is asking the teacher about August 15th. So, teacher is replying, a good question. You have to know about August 15th. We Indians became free on August 15th. So, we got the freedom on August 15th, children. Before, the Indians were under British rules. So, who was ruling us before? British was ruling us. So, Tilak, Gokhale, Bhagat Singh, Gandhi, Savarkar, Nehru, Bose, Patel and other fought for many years to make India a free country. So, your children, so many of them freedom fighters fought to make our India free from the British rule. Some names are these names. So, you have to remember those names. Next page, children, we'll go. So, here, Rahim. Did they really have to fight? They are asking the teacher that they have really had to fight. So, teacher said, yes, they fought for our independence and were sent to prison. We must remember them always. So, children, here, prison means jail. So, they were sent to jail also. They are sent for prison also. Deepika, teacher, why do we hoist the flag? So, here teacher answers the question. Flag means the nation itself. So, flag itself is a nation. It represents our motherland. As a mark of respect to the country we are born in, we hoist the flag to show our gratitude. So, children, here hoist means to raise or put up something using rope. So, we hoist the flag, isn't it, children? You all have seen, isn't it? We also hoist a flag in our school also. Yes. So, prison is a building where people are kept as punishment for a crime. But our Indian freedom strugglers, They didn't do any crime. They just fought for the freedom of our country. So they were put in the prison. Represent. Represent means, children, here sign or a mark of something. So here gratitude. So gratitude means a feeling of being thankful to someone. So we should be very thankful to our nation and our flag. So next, children, Margaret. Teacher, our flag has 3 colors: saffron, white and green. Teacher says, yes. And do you know what this color represent? Saffron stands for sacrifice, white for peace and green for prosperity. So children, here saffron stands for sacrifice, white stands for peace and green stands for prosperity. Harsha, teacher, and the white strips has the charaka. It is in blue in color. Jayashri, teacher, what does the charaka signifies? So, signifies means, children, to mean or to be a sign of something. So, teacher says it is a Ashoka chakra and it is a symbol of progress. So, Ashoka chakra in our flag, it is. So, children, you all have seen our flag, isn't it? It is like this. See here, children, this is our national flag. So, saffron, white, green, saffron, white, green, and we have between a Ashoka chakra. So it has 24 spokes. So we have no, all have children cycle, isn't it? You all have spokes in that. So like that only Ashoka chakra also has 24 spokes. Okay, children. So this is our national flag. We'll go for next page, children. Abdul. Other than a flag, are there any other symbol for our country? Teacher. Yes, our national animal is tiger. Our national bird is peacock. Our national flower is lotus. So children, we have some our national symbols. That is, our national animal is, children, tiger. So this is our national animal, that is tiger. And our national bird is peacock. Okay, children. Okay, children. Our national bird is peacock. Our national flower is lotus. Okay, children. And our national game is hockey. So these are some of our symbols. These are our national symbols. So Aparna, teacher, our national anthem is Jana Gana Mana and Gurudev Ravindranath Tagore wrote it. Who wrote our national anthem, children? Yes, Ravindranath Tagore wrote our national anthem. So, teacher, good. Have you noticed all national emblem in our currency? Yeah. Jayashri, no, teacher. So, teacher replies, take out a 100 rupee note and show the national emblem. This is lion, capital, with a charaka, flanked by a horse and a bull, taken from the Sarnath pillar of Ashoka the Great. So this is our emblem. So you can see it, this sign in our note, isn't it, children? Our currency note. So check out, children. See, in a 100 rupee note you can see it. So next, Arjun. Thank you. Teacher, I did not know these things. From now on, I will love and respect my motherland like my own mother. So, one boy says that he will love his motherland, respect it like his mother. So, we also children, we have to respect our nation like our mother. Teacher, good. We should not only respect our national symbol but also protect them from abuse. So abuse means to say something rude thing or treat someone or something badly. Okay children. So Varsha, I stand at attention whenever our national anthem is being sung. Teacher, that's fine. Even though August 15 is a holiday, we can pay tribute to our country by taking an active part in national festival. So children, even if it is August 15 as a holiday, we should pay tribute to our nation. So we should protect our nation. Student, we love our country. We are proud to be Indians. Isn't it children? Yes, we are proud to be Indians. Teacher, now let us all say Jai Hind. Students also say Jai Hind. So children, you all also say Jai Hind after me. Yes. So children, this is a lesson. We have finished the lesson. This is a lesson of we can know whatever are the symbols of our national flag, national anthem. So these are all our national symbols. So we have to respect them and protect them also. Isn't it children? Yes. So remember this, that we have to protect our national symbols. So children, here I hope so you all have understood the lesson. So next after 1 week we have got the exam. So study for the exam children. Write the notes neatly in your notebook and prepare for your exam. Okay children, take care children. Bye children.